Hello guys, so today I'm gonna guide you guys how to turn on rented phones. Click to our rent phone tool, open it. Click load token on the top, so they can load phones rented. Next, open Panda software. This tool will support to view the phone screen. Now, please highlight all the phones line, then click on the second button to connect phones rented. Please wait around 10 to 20 seconds so they can load. Okay, so now, phones rented gonna connect and open one by one. You can leave it around 5 minutes, so they can open all. Now, all the phones has been connected. Next, please turn on our software. This is automation tool to automate phones. It called Farm Pro. Click Start to open the software. Remember to accept our policy and term before use our tool. So that how you can connect to phone you rented. Next is a tutorial how to connect Proxy by Super Proxy application. Open the app, then click Add Proxy. Next, choose HTTP options, which included IP, port, username, and password. Remember to prepare a proxy files that you want to connect. Let import by sequence. Guys, watch this. After import, click Save button on the top. Next, click Start so the application can work. The phone will disconnect around 10 to 20 seconds. Finally, open the website hooer.net to check IP address. So that full tutorial on how to turn on phone rented and also import Proxy. Thank you for watching.